From 1977 to 1983, proceeded to Government College, Kaduna, 1984 to 1989, and then the Kaduna State Polytechnic, course 01 of 2010. He loves reading, watching movies, and listening to news. The parade commander is happily married, marching forward to give the state of parade to the reveal officer and guest of honor, and also invite him.
35 officers, 80 soldiers, 500 recruits on parade, ready for your inspection.
He has just introduced the personal parade to the reveal officer and guest of honor, and has also invited him to inspect the 10 guards on parade. The reveal officer will also be received by the Assistant Director of Duty, Depot Nigerian Army, Major Ortega, to inspect the combined band. The inspection Land Rover is already at the square. May I, at this juncture, swing the microphone over to Captain A.A. Arrigo to please give us a brief on the Chief of Army Staff.
Thank you very much, MC Big Daddy. Of the Chief of Army Staff, Resume, Lieutenant General Yusuf Tuku Buratai, the Chief of Army Staff, a seasoned military officer par excellence, was born on the 24th of November 1990. Made him to apply and gain admission into the prestigious Nigerian Defense Academy Kaduna as a member of 29 Regular Combatant Corps on the 3rd of January 1981. On successful completion.
Nigerian Defense Academy, Kaduna, in 1983, as a member of the 31st Regular Force, was commissioned into the Nigerian Army. Senior officers have served in various units, formations, and institutions, both within and outside Nigeria. He also had various command, staff, and instruction on other northeastern states. His tour of duty led to the recapture of all the 3 Nigerian Army barracks in Maiduguri, that is Baga, Bongoru, and Bama, and also 26 K towns, including the 2016. On a juncture of duty to ensure the full operationalization organization of the force and army. He is a seasoned tactician and instructor par excellence on infantry weapons and tactics, spanning 6 years of his career at the Nigerian Army School of Infantry, Jaji. The constituted authority and inspections to the rule of law led to his present appointment as the Chief of Policy and Plans of the Nigerian Army. Lieutenant General Adeoso was conferred.
Steps down the Land Rover to take permission from the revenue officer to carry on with the parade. The revenue officer will be received by the Assistant Director of Music, Depot Nigerian Army,
and of the inspection. May I have your permission to carry on with the rest of the parade? Sir!
Permission has been graciously granted to him.
Après avoir terminé avec succès sa formation de jeunesse, il a été nommé sous-lieutenant le
Special guest of honor has just been received by the Assistant Director of Music, Depot Nigerian Army, and also the Assistant Director of Music, Depot Nigerian Army. The Nigerian Defense Academy Band, the 1 division of the Nigerian Army Band, and the Nigerian Defense Academy Band.
Depuis sa formation, il a également servi dans de nombreuses formations, unités et institutions où il a occupé plusieurs postes de l'organisation. En officier très décoré, il a reçu plusieurs prix et distinctions. En réalisation connue, il transporte de l'Arabie Saoudite, les États-Unis, l'Algérie, Singapour et la Malaisie.
The inspection of the border is over. It will ask the Assistant Director of Music, Depot Nigerian Army, takes permission from the revenue officer to carry on with the parade.
Général est nommé le chef d'état-major de l'armée nigérienne en juillet 2005. Il est venu à bord lorsque les terroristes opéraient librement, établissant presque des
Track instructors here present, headed by 63 NA 99864, Army Warrant Officer Sajbuddin Ojo, and 29 others. May you please rise for recognition, please.
Champion companies come fast! Remember!
That is the voice of the Guard Commander for the Champion Guard, Major Adams Umar. Dressing their lines this morning to give a better impression to our spectators as they will marching forward. When the word of command is sound, the reaction to that word of command becomes very effective. That is the right marker. That is the voice of the guard commander for the champion guard, Major Wanda, who was born on the 6th day of February 1986 to the family of Alhaji Umar Adam Gobe. He attended Ahmed Umar Nursery and Primary School, Kaduna. He later proceeded to Shah Abubakar Public College to Wanda, Kaduna, where he obtained his first clinical certificate in 2004. Major Adams later gained admission into the prestigious and elite University Academy Kaduna in 2005 as a member of in 2010, the population was posted to the Academy of Artillery and other professionals. But the Oba served as a software store of one in Meduguri. Regimental voice crossing their lines again before marching forward to receive the champion man.
Stand, champion company!
That is the voice of the sergeant of the company. Major Adams Umar with the banner marching forward to receive the champion banner. May I, at this juncture, most respectfully request the Commander Recruit Center, Colonel M.A. Maji, to please come forward to do the presentation of banner to Alpha Training Company, the champion company. The Commander Recruit Center is just like the Cadet Brigade Commander you have in the Nigerian Defense Academy, as military tradition demands. It takes permission from the review officer and guest of honor to carry on with this assignment. Permission graciously granted to him. The senior officer is a member of 47 regular corps. Pays compliment to the banner. It takes a pace forward. Banner bearer, Staff Sergeant Ibrahim Aruna. He pays compliment to the banner. Commander Recruit Center turns with the banner. Guard Commander pays compliment. He takes a pace forward. With his two hands, he receives the banner. Takes a pace backward. Commander Recruit Center pays compliment. Turns in an angle of 180 degrees about. Banner bearer pays compliment to the banner. He takes a pace forward. The base of the pike is sighted into the socket of the banner. Regimentally, they cut their two hands to assume the position of attention. He draws his sword, bring it to the recover position and carry. Pays compliment to the banner. He turns smartly. Can we please put our hands together for them? That is the voice of Captain J.T. Kamale, officer, second in command of the champion company. That is the Depot Nigerian Army anthem, played in honor of the champion company, which is our patrolling company. The anthem was composed and arranged by Colonel Michael Elo in 1999. Recruit Center also takes permission from the reviewing officer and guest of honor to take his seat. Permission has been granted to him. Can we please put our hands together for the Commander Recruit Center?
Close order! March! To the banner! Present! Out! Champion concluded by right! Slow march!
It takes hard work to be a champion. It takes dedication to work to be a champion.
Our distinguished and highly esteemed invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's very interesting to know that the motto of African Company is "Peace for the Action Day." Today is the 27th day of June 2020.
The winner, sir, to please take his seat. The commandant, sir. Can we please put our hands together for the review of something?
It takes dedication to be a champion. It takes discipline to be a champion. It takes the maximum points in 3 major events. These are an initial and exercise designed to initiate trainings in camp-wide and camp administration. Alpha Training Company was also the first company in doing and establishing in the Florida and regimental burial of Marine. Alpha Company was also the first company in the processing, bringing the first time in after the company was the seal of the competition. Whether I was a company is there, include price and personal inquiries, bringing the organizer, all our competition, hosting events, and finally, engineer of the world. Congratulations, Alpha Training Company. Kudos to the recruits of Alpha Training Company. And kudos to the officer in charge of the training company, Major B. Al-Mustafa, who with the support of his and of course the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tukuri Shukuratai, for creating a here in the Nigerian Army. I will please put our hands together for the champion company, which is Alpha Trading Company.
Félicitations à l'officier responsable. Félicitations au bouffle, le commandant, bien sûr au chef d'état-major de l'armée pour avoir créé.
That's executive word of command by the parade commander signals the commencement of the march past in slow and quick time.
Monsieur le Président, présent officier, mesdames, entendants.
Changing their hours today, known as Buffalo is only 8 months old now. It has fully acclimatized with the military environment. The Buffalo is coming on parade for the first time, but you can see approaching the saluting dice is the parade commander. The parade second in command following the guard commander of the champion guard, which is #1 guard, Alpha Trading Company. Major the guard commander for #1 guard. I will please put our hands together for the guard, please. Is the voice of Captain M. Alidu, the guard commander for Tuga. That is the voice voice of Captain Michaelu Kotriga. Presentation and on the march. May I please remind all our guests to rise rise as the march pass by. That is the voice of Captain A.G. Yaya. To carry color. Is fighter with Captain D.N. Obama. Is Captain M.I. Sode. Following that is Captain Major M.R. Gamadi for 7 guard. Our guests to note that the buffalo will also break from slow to quick time, where we're marching at the rate of 116 paces to the minute.
Mesdames et messieurs, dépôt de l'armée nigérienne a commencé comme une aide d'entraînement dans le régiment de l'armée nigérienne, alors dans l'armée coloniale britannique en 1904. En 1925, boucle vivante, comme applicable dans d'autres unités et formations de l'armée nigérienne. Cependant, l'histoire a changé pour de bons cas. Le commandant actuel a récemment obtenu un bourse à vie pour l'instant.
With mascot. Bringing your minds back to the parade ground, changing their arms from right to left, and this time from left to right again. And also any moment from now, we shall witness the transition of breaking from slow to quick time, where the passing out guards will be marching at the rate of 116 paces to the minute. I want to draw our attention. Can we please put our hands together for them? And the mascot marching at the rate of 116 paces to the minute. Why not put your hands together for this mascot, please?
C'était un changement incroyable, fabuleux et fantastique, en même temps du temps long au temps rapide. Les recrues marchent au rythme de 116 pas par minute. Un véritable exemple. Et comme nous pouvons le voir, le buffle est humble et loyal. en acceptant tous les ordres légitimes qui lui sont donnés par les gestionnaires. Bien que le bouffe aille seulement 8 mois en actuel, il est complément.
Most respectfully request the Commandant of Nigerian Army to please request the special guest of honor to please take his seat. The Commandant, sir.
Puis-je demander très respectueusement au commandant du dépôt de l'inviter le réviseur à s'asseoir.
Can we please put our hands together for the review officer, please? Our guests will be naturally thrilled this morning. Can we please put our hands together for them?
Standard east!
The special guest of honor. Next, we are going to be treated with what is commonly referred in the military cycle as silent drill. And as the name implies, which is a symbol of identification of the Depot Nigerian Army. The distinct red signifies the ordeal of recruits undergoing training, while the white signifies the joy and sense of fulfillment after a successful training. The attire was specially designed for this purpose by the Nigerian Army Ordnance Sub-Tailoring Factory under the guidance of the Commandant, Depot Nigerian Army, and supervised by Captain Yaya, the officer in charge. Major Y. Abubakar is the supervisor of the tailoring factory in the Depot Nigerian Army. Can we please put our hands together for them? Changing their formation without changing their direction, which is the forming squad. Can we please put our hands together for them? Please put your hands together for them. Can we please put our hands together for them? The ones in front, how do they get their rifles back? That is the question. You have just received his rifle. Why don't put your hands together for them once more? Passing through themselves on hunger without any heat. Exchanging their weapons. Can we please put our hands together for them? Breaking into the north, south, east, and west.
patrolling to defend the territorial integrity of this nation. They came from the east, they came from the west, they came from the south, they came from the north to become one, which is the Nigerian army. Sit back and see how they come together. Thank you very much. The drill RC, Master Warrant Officer Dauda Wahi, the drill sergeant, Warrant Officer Dada, and the entire drill instructors are wonderful. Can we please put our hands together for them? Please put your hands together for them. May I, at this juncture, most respectfully request the Commandant Depot Nigerian Army to please request the special guest of honor to please rise to take this salute from the silent drill. The Commandant, sir. You may please be seated, sir. If you want to sit, put your hands together for the silent drill, please. The unarmed combat, so please get ready to come on stage. Unarmed combat is unarmed combat is the most ancient form of fighting. It is both an art and a science that can be used martially for sports or as an expression of individuals or culture. There is no doubt that modern fighting methods contain considerable understanding of sophisticated and highly effective crippling, disarm, takedown, ground fighting, submission, holds, kick, and hand blow. It is used when weapons are not available or a soldier ran out of ammunition. It is also important for keep fit training.
Le combat amène lui est la plus ancienne forme de combat connue dans le monde. Les organisations militaires ont toujours enseigné une sorte de combat non armé pour le conditionnement et pour compléter le combat. C'est aussi la forme de conflit physique la plus ancienne car elle ne nécessitait pas que le
Can we please put our hands together for them? Why not put your hands together for them? Please put your hands together for them. That's the rifle pattern. Bringing our minds back to the parade ground at the extreme. I see the man with the rifle, with the sled. He brought down the rifle and hit the man down. This is fantastic. With the sword, what an acrobatic kick on him. These recruits are wonderful. The man is in trouble. He charged. He charged. He's so annoyed. But with all the annoyance, he went back. Coming back was not good for him. The man is down. Can we please put our hands together for that recruit, please? With his sword, dodging him, he brought the man down. He thought he has won. So happy with the sword, he brought him down. Hit him below. I don't know what happened there. Can we please put our hands together for the young man? He died. Hitting him with the sled. Oh my God. Pushing that man with the sled. and the man is gone. With his pistol, he asked the man to kneel down. They're very tricky. He pressed the man down. What a good training. Can we please put our hands together for the young man? The man is shouting. He said he's going to kill him. Brings his one out. Hits him. He held him and hit him down. And that is the last fight for today. He hits him, carry him, drag him, rolling him 360 degrees, 720 degrees, 1,200 degrees, and the man is down. Ladies and gentlemen, he brings the man down, and that is the end of this fight. Can we please put our hands together for them?
Nous avons vu l'attaque à la cabine, comment échapper à une arrestation. On a vu aussi l'étouffement. Nous voyons comment échapper à une tentative d'étouffement par l'arrière. Nous avons vu encore l'attaque de canif et comment échapper à une attaque de canif.
The first set we have male recruits. This set are female recruits. Let's see what they are going to do.
La première présentation était par les hommes et maintenant nous voyons les femmes.
Can women use their wrists to break this block? That is the question. They say whatever man can do, they say women can even do it better. Let us see. They are all women. They are trained. They are so hot. And that is the first. With the wrist, with her fist, can she break that wood? That is the question. Yes. Oh, can we please put our hands together for her? And that's the second female. With the leg, breaks that button. And this time, can she do it? She breaks it. And this is the block this time. Can she break this block? A 6 inches block used in building a house? Oh, this is wonderful. Can she break the block? She breaks the block. And this time now with the head, can she? Oh, she went back. The hand is so hot. Because the block is so heavy. Oh my God, with the head. She breaks it, ladies and gentlemen. Can we please put our hands together for the female? The coordinator, Nigerian Army Officers Wives Association, Gilded Gentlemen, is so excited with the women. Can we please put our hands together for the female corps, please?
Applaudissez pour le corps des femmes encore.
Came to deport Nigerian Army as raw civilians in December. Today, they are molded into what is known as a soldier. Can we please put our hands together for the instructors, please? May I please request the commandant to please request the reviewing officer to please take a seat, even as the special combat match will be coming forward.
Next is the special combat match. The reviewing officer, sir, distinguished senior officer, serving and retired, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It will interest you to know that this is the second time combat match is featured in military parade in Depot Nigerian Army. It was initiated by Depot Nigerian Army under the tutelage of the transformation, experienced the challenges in the Northeast in the ongoing counter-terrorism and counter-insurgency operation. The commandant initiated the special combat training to enable recruits to effectively contend with the challenging security environment in Nigeria. They are trained to survive in all weather conditions. Very senior officers, this drill is meant to showcase strength, vigor, and dexterity key to the strength of a buffalo, which is the mascot of this institution. Kudos to the commandant, the Nigerian Army. Lieutenant Abba, please can you tell our audience more about this spectacular special combat march on parade?
Thank you, Captain Arigo. The reviewing officer, senior officers, both serving and retired here present, our esteemed invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. May I bring to your attention this morning that the special combat march consists of 3 guards. The first guard is made up of rugged foot infantry soldiers, so also the second guard. This is followed by the Special Forces Guard, which consists of Rangers in front, followed by the Airborne Forces. The next guard is made up of the Amphibious Forces, and last but definitely not the least is the Sniper Guard. For our audience this morning, Sniper Guard are the best shooters in the Nigerian Army, as they do not miss their targets whenever they fire. For 79 regular recruit intake, the Sniper Guard comprises of recruits who participated in the small arms competition, which was organized for recruits of 79 regular intake. Ladies and gentlemen, the combat march is to showcase the strength, vigor, and dexterity of the Nigerian Army as earlier stated.
Thank you very much, sir. Can we please put our hands together for the review officer, please? Back from their final exercise Kungama, charge through the objectives and mapping, making sure that all is clear for them to charge it through this time. Please, there should be no panic, please. Everything is under control.
Défilé militaire de l'armée nigériane. Il a été initié par le dépôt sous la tutelle du commandant transformateur de la plus ancienne institution militaire et une formation rigoureuse en plus de la formation de base pour s'adapter à la situation de sécurité du pays. ils ont...
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the mascot of Depot, the buffalo, was not having any panic. When the buffalo had the first shot, decided to look left and right. He wanted to take cover, but he is used to the terrain. Can we please put our hands together for the mascot, please? The special guest of honor.
Quick march!
Can we please put our hands together for them? Presentation of award. Can we please put our hands together for those smart recruits for that table presentation? Commander Women Corps Award, Best Female Recruit in Leadership and Regimentation, and the Commandant's Depot Nigerian Army Award. First will be the Commandant's Depot Nigerian Army Award. And the winner of this award is the 2020/79/0611 recruits Aminu Usman. First box is 6 km, 10 km, 20 km, and has an astounding performance in obstacle course intercompany competition. Recruit Usman came overall best recruit in leadership and regimentation. Next 068 Foxtrots, recruit Danjuma Self-Plan. She obtained her first school in certificate. Recruit Self-Plan further proceeded to Yipo Community Secondary School, Sabongeri, Mangu, Plateau State from 2010 to 2017. Recruit Self-Plan enlisted into the Nigerian Army as a member of 79 regular recruit intake on the 26th day of December 2019. During the course of her training in Depot Nigerian Army, Recruit Self-Plan passed first attempt 3 square tests. First box is 6 km, 10 km, and 20 km, and has an astounding performance in obstacle course intercompany competition. She emerged overall best female recruit in leadership and regimentation.
Quick march!
Is the 2020/79/0611 recruit Aminu Usman. He is from Bravo Training Company. Can we please put our hands together for him? Corps Commander Women Corps Award. And the winner of this award is the 2020/79/1068 Foxtrot recruit Danjuma Setla. She is from Charlie Trading Company. Can we please put our hands together for her? Chief of Administration Army Award. And the winner of this award is the 2020/79/0417 Foxtrot recruit Chuku Ifoma. She is of Alpha Trading Company. Can we please put our hands together for her? Next is the Chief of Army Staff Award. Overall Best Recruit in Order of Merit. And the winner of this award is the 2020/79/05/0055 recruit Agada James from Alpha Training Company. Can we please put our hands together for him? Parade Adjutant, to please get ready. Thank you very much, sir.
Yoga!